Well, it's a little later than hoped for. Got held up at work, but it's Friday, 6:30, and it's time to go camping. Got about an hour and a half drive, so it may be dark by the time I get there, but I'm gonna go meet up with some people and go have a fun little weekend. So let's head to camp. Well, I'm here in the camper, fixing to call it a night. I know I didn't film much tonight, but got here late. It was dark, so I didn't film setting up the camper or anything like that. And just started hanging out and catching up with everyone, you know. Spent some time hanging out by the fire. It's nice to do that every now and then. A lot of these people I haven't seen since some of my last events and stuff, and they've been on trips, and so we were sharing trip stories and, you know, just having a good time. But it's late. I'm tired, if you can't tell. It's like almost midnight. I'm gonna go to bed. So tomorrow, got a fun day planned, lots of activities and stuff, and I'll check back in with you then.
Like a wild man, sleeping like a child. You're so luminous and vibrant. I'm always in bloom for you.
And what a morning. I would get the drone up, but everybody's still sleeping and trying not to disturb them. But what a great night. Got down to like 58 degrees. Today's gonna be up in the 80s. Just perfect weather. And I mean, getting to see that sunrise and stuff, it's gorgeous. Just exploring, doing my little morning walk thing I like to do when I'm out camping. Kind of gets me woke up. Also kind of helps warm me up, you know, on these colder mornings. But what a good trip. You know, it's a shame that I say it's a shame, but it's a shame that this campground or WMA area doesn't allow camping year round. I understand in the winter why they shut down for hunters only, because safety, gun safety, and that way it don't disturb the deer hunters, because this is a very big deer area. But I'd love to camp out here more in the winter. And I guess technically if I come out and hunted and stuff, I could, but man, peaceful morning. Just watching that sunrise over this little pond, lake. I'm not sure what it actually is classified as, but pretty cool, huh? There's scales off something. Been several fish jumping today, this morning. One of these days I'll have to fish this and see what's in it. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but there is some kind of oil filled machinery over there running. And this way you get some birds and crows and stuff. But should be a fun weekend. Got a little bit of fun activities planned for today. Not a lot of driving this weekend. Either today or tomorrow though, we are going to go hit up some back roads and do some exploring. A couple of the people that's here today won't be staying tonight because they have church and stuff Sunday, or other obligations Sunday. But it's nice to get out and get the fall camping underway, get things going, ready for this fall and winter, and get back to camping out and going out every weekend. Because of that, some of my videos may be a little behind because of editing and stuff, because I'm not going to waste a good weekend when I could be camping and edit videos instead. But I'm gonna try to edit while I'm camping so that I can keep content coming this fall. But either way, it's just a fun hobby. It's just something to pass time anyways. It's one of my favorite spots out here at Canton WMA, because there's enough room for a lot of rigs and you can still scatter out and kind of have your own space. Looks like a beaver's gotten into this tree. What's left of the tree anyways. Good weekend. Out here roaming around, hoping I see some deer or some other wildlife or something. I'm sure they see me long before I'll see them, but just exploring, trying to enjoy the morning. A lot of times these pictures and videos, they don't do the justice from, you know, actually being to these places. Like right now, the sunset rising, rising. Just the different colors and the sounds of all the birds and stuff. Even though you got some oil field noise, it's just so scenic, peaceful.
Like a wild man, sleeping like a child. You're so luminous and vibrant. I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always in bloom for you. Times I'm stranded, a castaway on unknown shore, although a stranger in this continent. I'm always in bloom for you.
Well, so far today, we're just been driving through up here north of the Painted Desert area, and now we're gonna head back down south through the Painted Desert to head towards camp. It's about 3 o'clock today. Just been out doing a little exploring. We didn't leave till like 1 o'clock, so not a ton of time on the back roads, but still getting out, seeing a few sights, just making a fun weekend of it. But we're gonna try to head back to camp so we got time to cook supper and everything before it gets dark tonight, and hang out a little bit longer. And overall, it's been a great weekend so far. You know, Oklahoma is one of those states that not everything's epic. You're not right in the heart of epic stuff, but if you get out and look, you can find some gorgeous stuff out there. You know, it may just be little small pockets here or there, but there's a lot to explore. But let's head back to camp and see what else we can find today. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. The weather's getting better, and I hope to be out every weekend for a while, enjoying it and exploring. Be sure and click like and subscribe, and join me on the next one. As always, there's still another mile left to explore. I'll see you on the trail.